to eat to repel mosquitoes. Today we're exploring how your diet can keep these pesky bugs from eating you alive. Mosquitoes have a sharp sense of smell, targeting humans by the scents we emit. Interestingly, certain foods can alter our natural aroma, making us less appealing to mosquitoes. By incorporating mosquito repellent foods into our diet, we can naturally keep these insects at bay without relying on chemical repellents. Let's explore 7 foods that can help repel mosquitoes. First up, garlic and onions. These contain allicin, which masks our natural scent, and is a compound known for its ability to inhibit malaria infection transmitted by mosquito bites, as indicated by research studies. Raw consumption is most effective, but they also enhance various dishes like pasta and stir-fries. Garlic and onions not only enhance the taste of dishes, but also serve as natural mosquito repellents. Apple cider vinegar changes your scent, making you less attractive to mosquitoes. A tablespoon daily, mixed with honey for taste, or added to foods like salad dressings works well. Lemongrass, rich in citronella oil, conceals your smell. It's great in Thai dishes, soups, curries, and even as a barbecue dish like lemongrass wings. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, an irritant to mosquitoes. Adding them to chili, hot sauce, or salsas not only spices up your meal but also repels bugs. Tomatoes are rich in thiamine, possibly making you less enticing to mosquitoes. They're versatile, fitting into salads, soups, and pastas, and can soothe bites too. Grapefruit loaded with nootkatone repels mosquitoes and ticks. Enjoy it at breakfast in fruit salads or as grapefruit cupcakes for a dessert that keeps bugs at bay. Grapefruit is a revitalizing summer delight loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. Yet, for mosquito deterrence, nootkatone emerges as the champion compound. It offers versatile methods to repel mosquitoes. Enjoy grapefruit as a snack or utilize grapefruit oil on your skin for added protection against mosquitoes. Beans and lentils, similar to tomatoes, release a bug-repellent smell. They are abundant sources of thiamine, also recognized as vitamin B1. Thiamine has been considered a natural mosquito deterrent because after being expelled through the skin, it assists in concealing the innate human scents that draw insects. Remember, the right diet can be a natural and effective way to keep mosquitoes away. Stay protected and enjoy your mosquito-free space. Now let's talk about what foods you eat that can attract mosquitoes and what to avoid to keep them away and prevent them from feasting on you. During mosquito season, it's essential to be mindful of what you consume to avoid becoming a target for these pesky insects. Certain foods can emit scents that are particularly attractive to mosquitoes, making you more susceptible to their bites. Although researchers haven't pinpointed the exact reason, it's well documented that beer can draw mosquitoes towards you. Even small amounts, like a single 12 ounces bottle, can make you more appealing to these insects, increasing the likelihood of getting bitten. Foods high in salt content contribute to the production of lactic acid, a substance known to attract mosquitoes. This is similar to why individuals are more prone to mosquito bites during physical activity or exercise. The connection between sweet or sugary foods and mosquito attraction is still debated. Some believe that consuming high-sugar foods can make your skin more appealing to mosquitoes, while others argue otherwise. Regardless, avoiding sugary foods when spending time outdoors can reduce the risk of attracting mosquitoes. Understanding how certain foods affect your attractiveness to mosquitoes can help you plan meals effectively during mosquito season, offering a natural way to deter these unwanted pests from feasting on you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips will help to make your outdoor activities more enjoyable and bite-free. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.